Good day everyone, my name is Sean Patrick Manguera, the owner of CatCat Clothing Trading and Barato Clothing Trading in the province of Romblon. Sinimulan ko po ang Barato Clothing Trading sa Calatrava, Romblon. Ito po ay isang 4th class municipality. Nagsimula po ako doon na may 5,000 kapital. At sa tulong na rin po ng 15 taong karanasan ng aking mga magulang ay nagawa ko pong maging stable at maayos ang aking negosyo. Subalit nakakita po ako ng problema. Kalaunan po ay hindi na naging effective ang strategies ng aking mga magulang na ina-apply sa aking negosyo. Sa kadahilanang sila po ay nasa first class municipality setting. So, in order to meet the demands of my customers, I created a highly curated shop focusing exclusively on trendy, premium, and best-selling items. So, I established CatCat Clothing Trading in Looc, Romblon ngayon lamang pong February 2026. Ayan. So our vision is to be the most well-known and trusted ukay-ukay shop in the entire province, recognized for our organized shopping experience, exceptional customer service, and curated selection of pre-loved fashion. Our mission, that is to provide every customer with high-quality, fashionable ukay-ukay items at an affordable price. We achieve this through strict quality sorting, honest transactions, and a professional shop environment that respects every shopper's budget. Our products. These products are intended for our Trend Chaser High School students, our first target market. So, when they are looking for their OOTDs, pang-post sa Facebook, sa Instagram, or sa TikTok, or any other social media accounts, we are offering them the Y2K fashion na talagang patok na patok sa kanila. We also have the soft girl fashion. Kadalasan po ito yung nasa Instagram and TikTok. And we have the rich tita outfit. Yan. Ina-adapt na rin po yan nila. And they can actually get this, all of this, no? Isang kompletong forma for less than 1,000 pesos. Next is we have these products for our budget-conscious millennial mothers. Ang mga nanay po ang siyang responsable sa budget ng pamilya. Ngayon, kung pumasok ang isang millennial mother sa aming shop, hindi lang po sila ang magiging masaya. Ganun na rin po ang kanilang anak, ganun na rin po ang kanilang mga asawa sa murang halaga. So, hindi nasira ang budget ni nanay. Next, we have our young professionals as they are starting their careers. Alam po natin na medyo konti pa po yung kanilang starting salary. But then in CatCat Clothing Trading, pag pumasok ang ating young professionals, they can actually get a good office outfit at a very affordable price. And right from the very start na nagsisimula pa lang sila sa kanilang career, sigurado na rin po makakapag-ipon na rin sila. Ayan. Okay? So let us now move into our business model canvas. We have already discussed our target market. And now, ano ba meron sa CatCat Ukay-Ukay? Kadalasan, CatCat Clothing Trading, kadalasan po pag pumapasok tayo sa normal na ukayan, ma-overwhelm tayo sa sobrang daming inventory, sobrang daming items at anong mangyari, we will spend more time kakahanap po ng mga gusto natin. So, in CatCat Clothing Trading, kapag pumasok ka, we have boutique curation at an affordable price. Okay? All our high quality items. So we have the best-selling selection, or bestsellers. And also, ito, customer-driven selection or customer-curated selection. So some of the items are actually customer-suggested products. So when you enter our shop, you save more time, you save more money, and you gain more confidence by wearing our products because in CatCat Clothing Trading, your style, our selection. Our channels, we have our physical store and Facebook for social media engagement. Okay? And we made this possible. Our customer relationship is personal assistance and social media engagement. Okay? So that we can interact with our customers online, and of course and our revenue model is in-store walk-in sales. For our operating model, For key activities, we have sourcing of supplies, merchandising, social media marketing, store operations, cash inventory and operations audit for our controls. Our key resources, we have cell phone, premium inventory, we have Train Tendera for merchandising of course, and Barato Clothing FB page, and CCTV and standard operating manual for our store operations, and also diverse POS or spreadsheets for our internal controls. Our key partners, Unicat Boutique and Natalia Ukay for our inventories. We have Mount Buhay Padala Center helping us deliver our products. JNVL Shop, they are our go-to shop whenever we need racks or mannequins. And Katkat Ukay Facebook page for social media presence, no? Additional social media presence for our cost structure. This is based on our 3 months operation in Katkat Clothing Trading in Looc, Romblon. Our sales is of course from the 100% sales, 70% is cost of goods sold, 15% is OPEX, and we have net income before tax of 15%. Key learnings from KMME, it increased my confidence and competence as an entrepreneur. It strengthened the workflow of my business operations and how to manage employees with the heart, and by setting rules and creating contracts for the protection of both entrepreneur and employees. It helped me better understand my customers because of marketing, and the 5-year projection in FS made me think of ways on how to control costs and make some financial decisions. Overall, the KMME created value for us entrepreneurs to make our businesses thrive. So I will share to you my business goal within the next 5 years so that you can actually correlate it for the next slides. Okay, establish a branch in Romblon, that is 2027. In 2029, establish a branch in Sibuyan, Romblon. For our operations improvement plan, first area of concern, this needs a quick fix, no? Real-time tracking of sales resulting to unsecured transactions. The reason or explanation, yung mga staff ko po, hindi po lahat, lalo na yung part-timers, marunong gumamit ng POS. So, action plan, kailangan po nila matuto, ano? Create a POS training video for all the staff and post it on private Facebook group. Next, area of concern that needs a quick fix, and effective inventory counting procedures. Ako po yung nagbibilang, no? At gumagasto po ako ng kalahating araw sa pagbibilang. So, action plan natin, magkaroon po tayo ng procedures on how to count, teach them counting techniques, para ang mangyari po, ako na lang ang mag-check and verify kung tama yung ginawa nila. Okay? For areas of concern, ito na, for the 2027 new branch in Romblon, unavailability of owner to support the shop in monitoring and in purchase of stocks. Ayan, kasi mas maging mabigat na. So, ang pinaka-action plan lang natin dito ay, syempre, i-delegate sa ating mga tao yung monitoring and purchase of stocks. Of course, pag i-delegate natin, kailangan natin ng approval. Lalo na ito yung may kinalaman sa pera. Next area of concern, preparation for a new branch in 2029 na. Incomplete standard operating procedures. Ayan, so bago pa tayo sumabak ulit sa panibagong pagbabranch, this time po kailangan na natin kumpletuhin yung buong proseso ng ating negosyo. Ang action plan, attend trainings para po mapagtibay pa ang ating current knowledge, tsaka apply lang po natin, tsaka integrate lang